folks. I'm all sweaty. It's like humid out. It's weird. Um, this isn't a tool video. It's me working on some crap video. I picked up a let me put these back in my head because I'm gonna need them. I picked up some Gorilla Glue because I need some, and this is what I'm working on. I'm not gonna show you the whole process. I'll just show you the beginning and the end. This board here is part of my sandblaster, and if I remember correctly, a screw goes in here and in here, and there's nothing to hold on anymore because the pieces are busted. And if you look, I don't know if you can see this, but if you look on here, there's a screw hole here. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. These are okay, but there's no meat inside to hold it. It's gonna break off. So I could, like, become a rocket scientist, buy a 3D printer and 3D print this in one solid piece of whatever. I probably could, spend a lifetime gluing some wood together, but instead of that, I'm going to measure the inside of these holes and put a piece of wood. I'm going to put a piece of wood in here, a piece of wood in here, and a piece of wood in here, and probably one, two, whatever, wherever the holes are. This way, and I'm going to glue them in with the fancy high-tech glue stuff. That's pretty much it. There's no like wizardry going on here. It's just cut some blocks. Hope I got the right size piece of wood. If not, I'll cut all the blocks to fit, then I'll sand them down to fit. And after I'm done, I will put it in the door, screw this into the door, and I don't know if it's screwed on anywhere else. I think that's how it's held in. Oh yeah, there's a little, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little lip here. It kind of catches. So it, from coming out, is there a lip? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Let me double check that. Hold on. I'll tell you. I think there's a little lip on the top. Oops. Holds it in. Yep. There's a little tiny lip all the way around it slides into. So it'll stay in there, even if I just put this in there. But I want the little metal bracket on the bottom holding it. So stay tuned. I'll have some blocks to show you, and I'll show you what I'm done. And you'll find out why I own 500 vice grips. So I can clamp them all and glue them. Stay tuned. Toodles. Hello folks. It's me again. What am I doing? I'm going to measure the size of these holes. I would say this way to this way is about 3 3/8. And they're all about 3 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 11 sixteenths. 3 and 11 sixteenths. 2, 4, wait. How long are these things? This one is 3 inches and a half. 3 and 1/2. That's 3 and a half. This one's 3 and a half. This one is 3 and a half. 3 and 1/2. This one is 3 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 sixteenths. 3 and 13 sixteenths. 3 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter is good. No, 3 and 3/4. 3 and 3/4, and this one is about 3 and 5/8. 3 and 5/8. So we have the measurements on there. Now this one is 4 and 2/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. Right here, 4 and 5/8. This one is 3 and, wait, is that 4? Yeah, it's 4. This is 3. 3 and 7/8. 3 7/8. 3 7/8. 3 7/8. There. 3 2 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 6/8. 3 6/8. Well, 3 6/8 is what? It's about 3 1/4, 3 3/4, which is stupid. 3 3/4. That's 3 7/8. 3 7/8. There to there. Now, how wide is this? About 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. About 3 1/2. 3 1/2. So we'll go figure this out. See if we got a board that's 3 1/2. Oh, how deep is it though? Roughly 3/4 inch. So hopefully a piece of pine will fit in there. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm doing. Hello, folks. Anyway, I cut a few boards, put in here. So I'm going to glue them in place. Of course, I got to cut a few pieces of plastic out where the screws went in. But other than that, I'm going to cut them in place and cut them out and glue them in place. So, ta-da, like, you know, Vanna White on that show there, Wheel of Fortune. Da, 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 da. I just won't show the upper half. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is my little video from hell here. I have another one here. I'll show you. I think I skipped one of them though. Right. Here's my other one. Right here. I put one up. I don't know if I got it in the right spot. I don't know. Oh yeah. I did this one because on this one, this other one, the two screw points right here on the other one blew out. So I put on the other one. So it doesn't look the same, but it's all good. Thanks for watching. Toodles.